Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the top 5 best drone for aerial photography you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research, and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Did you know that you don't have to break the bank to capture stunning aerial footage? In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 drones for aerial photography, each priced under $100. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a curious beginner, these drones offer impressive features without emptying your wallet. Stick around as we explore each model's unique strengths and help you find the perfect drone to elevate your photography game. And remember, if any of these catch your eye, I've included purchase links in the description below for your convenience. Let's get started. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the top 5 best drone for aerial photography. Let's begin. On number 5 is DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is a game-changer in the world of aerial photography, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. Equipped with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 48MP photos and smooth 4K per 60 frames per second videos. Its 34-minute flight time and 10 km 1080p video transmission ensure you can explore vast landscapes without interruption. Intelligent features like ActiveTrack 3.0 and SmartPhoto mode enhance your shooting experience, making it a top contender among drones under $1,000. However, at 570 grams, it's heavier than some competitors, which may affect portability. Overall, the Mavic Air 2 strikes a remarkable balance between performance and convenience, solidifying its position as a leading choice for both enthusiasts and professionals seeking high-quality aerial imagery. On number 4 is DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is a compact powerhouse that brings high-quality aerial photography within reach for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Weighing less than 249 grams, it sidesteps FAA registration requirements, making it an accessible choice for recreational pilots. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal, it delivers smooth, cinematic footage even in challenging lighting. Its impressive wind resistance of up to 38 km per hour ensures stable flight, while the option for up to 93 minutes of total flight time, with 3 batteries, allows for extended shooting sessions. The Mini 4K's user-friendly features, such as intelligent flight modes and smart return-to-home functionality, make it an excellent entry point into the world of aerial photography. On number 3 is Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS. Imagine capturing breathtaking aerial footage without breaking the bank. The Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone offers just that. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it a hassle-free choice for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Equipped with a 12MP camera and a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, it delivers stable 4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring your shots are smooth and cinematic. With a transmission range of up to 6 km and a flight time of approximately 32 minutes per battery, the Atom allows for extensive exploration and creative shooting. Its compact, foldable design enhances portability, fitting easily into your adventure gear. However, it's important to note that while the Atom excels in many areas, it lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, so cautious flying is advised. Priced around $359.99, it offers impressive value, positioning itself as a strong contender among the top drones for aerial photography in its class. On number 2 is Holystone HS360S. The Holystone HS360S is a compact, sub-250G drone that requires no FAA registration, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Its 4K UHD camera, equipped with a Galaxy Core sensor, captures impressive aerial footage. However, the lack of image stabilization and a 20-minute flight time may limit more advanced users. Compared to top drones like the DJI Mini 4K and Potensic Atom, the HS360S offers a balance between affordability and functionality, making it a solid entry-level option for aerial photography enthusiasts. Now moving to the last one is DJI Mini 3 Pro. Hold on to your seats, folks. What if I told you there's a drone that combines portability with professional-grade features? Enter the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a game-changer in the world of aerial photography. Weighing in at less than 249 grams, this featherlight marvel doesn't just breeze through the skies, it also sidesteps the need for FAA registration. But don't let its size fool you. Equipped with a 1.3-inch sensor and an f/1.7 aperture, the Mini 3 Pro captures crisp 48MP photos and smooth 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Its tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0 ensure a safe and exhilarating flight experience. Plus, with a flight time of up to 34 minutes, you'll have ample opportunity to explore and document your world. Incorporating features like true vertical shooting, it's tailor-made for social media enthusiasts. When stacked against top contenders like the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 3 Pro holds its own, offering a blend of performance and convenience that's hard to beat. So, what are your thoughts? Could the Mini 3 Pro be the drone you've been waiting for? So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best drone for aerial photography. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.